Rachna and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Reach for the stars, cause we're aiming high.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and let's get started. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I edit my videos on iMovie on my iPhone. So if you're interested, please keep on watching this video. So the first thing that you have to do is load all your footage or import all your footage on the app, and then do a rough cut. A rough cut, I mean cutting all the unnecessary parts, and yeah, that will be the first step. Once you've done this, then comes the creative part wherein you add sound effects, transitions, text, music and all that jazz. So let's start with the transitions first. I'll show you how I put transitions. So for adding transitions, you see this thing between two consecutive clips. So you tap on that and you see all the transitions to choose from. Also the transition depends on the length of your clip. So if your clip is short, then you may not have much options available. And yeah, that's it. Moving on to sound effects. So if you want to add sound of dogs barking or this, all you have to do is pause where you want to add the sound effect, tap on the plus sign, that is add sign, tap on audio, select sound effects, and yeah, you'll see a bunch of them, and choose whichever you wanna add and you'll have sound effects in your video. Next up, I'll show you how to add text. So before in iMovie, you didn't have much option for text, and now they have updated the app so you can choose whichever font you want, color, and where on the screen you want it to be. So for that, take your clip and go on the text, this T, and then choose from this whichever you want. Suppose I'm going for the split, and then I'll add the text and choose the font and color in this settings, and choose if I want the text for full clip duration or not, if I want it in uppercase or lowercase. So yeah, you can do that now on iMovie itself. Now coming on to my favorite thing,
Which is changing voice like this.
so if you want to do this, all you have to do is choose the part of the clip you want to change the voice and click on the meter. Place the pointer where you want to start and then click on the add thing, and then place the pointer where you want to end. So click on that add as well. Then tap in between this ads. You will see a yellow rectangle. Then you will also see a yellow line at the bottom which lets you adjust the speed of the clip. Then from here you can slow it down as you want and make it fast, or as per your choice how you want the voice to be. Mostly I make it fast by just one bar, and that's how I like it. One thing you have to do for this thing to work, tap on the screen anywhere and you'll see settings ka icon. Tap on that, and there the last setting will be speed changes pitch. So you have to turn that on, then only you'll get that sound effect. And yeah, you're done. Now coming to music, so I use music from the iMovie app itself sometimes, and sometimes copyright free music that is available on the Creator Studio for creators. And if I don't like the songs from any of this, then I go to YouTube, search non-copyright music, and when I get one, I screen record it and then use that as my background music. So I'll show two of the things, like how you can add music from the iMovie app itself and how you can add from music from the YouTube video. So if you want to add the music from iMovie, then tap on the plus sign, then go to audio. In audio you go to soundtracks and you'll get all the copyright free music. You can choose from it and then add it to your video. Just simply add it. And if you don't like any of this, then go to YouTube, search whatever copyright free song. When you find your liking wala song, then just screen record it. Then once you've screen recorded it, go back in the iMovie where your project is. Then wherever you want the music to be, tap on that, then tap on the plus sign, then go in the videos. Then you'll see the your screen recorded wala video, and then tap on the three dots and choose audio only. And yeah, that's how you put music on your videos from YouTube. Now moving on to split screen, picture in picture, cutaway. I'll explain how to use these things one by one. So first let's start with split screen. So if you want another screen here, here or here, then all you have to do is tap on the clip which you want the split screen on. Then go in videos, choose the video which you want on your screen, then tap on the three dots and choose split screen, and you'll get the split screen. And then adjust the video as per your screen, and there you have it. And you have option like you want the split screen on the right, left or down, so choose accordingly. Next up is picture in picture. By using picture in picture, you can pop things on your screen. Select the clip first which you want the pop thing, then tap on the plus sign and go in pictures or videos, whatever you want to pop on your screen. And yeah, go on the three dots as usual, choose picture in picture and adjust wherever you want your picture in picture to be. You'll also get an option of the border if you want border or not. And yeah, that's how you add picture in picture in your screen or in your video. Next up is cutaway. So I've used cutaway a lot in this video. What it basically does is suppose I'm recording this video and I want another screen on this video, but the voice should be of the video that I'm recording right now. Select the clip, then tap on the plus sign again and go on the video which you want on top of this video. Then click on the three dots and do cut away. Yeah, that is basically how I edit my videos in iMovie on my iPhone. I hope it was helpful to you. You learned something from this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video now.